Sometimes it's the simplest and easiest recipes that surprise us the most. The ones without fancy techniques or long ingredient lists often turn out to be far more comforting and delicious than the elaborate, time consuming ones. This dal palak is a perfect example of that kind of everyday magic. Quick to put together, nourishing, and deeply satisfying. This dish feels like a warm hug, especially when enjoyed with piping hot rice on a cold winter day. This is my absolute go to recipe for days when I'm either feeling under the weather or when I've just returned from a trip and want to make something that's effortless yet soothing for the soul. The star ingredient here is fresh palak or spinach, which most of us tend to stock up on during winters. That's exactly why this recipe becomes such a lifesaver for last minute meal planning when you're out of ideas for lunch or dinner. So let's step into the cozy kitchenette to whip up this delicious recipe. In this version, I have combined tur dal and yellow moong dal as this is commonly available in my kitchen most days. That said, this recipe is wonderfully flexible. You can easily swap in or add any dal of your choice based on what you have at home. We will begin by washing both the dal thoroughly with water multiple times until the water doesn't foam anymore. We will then add 2 glasses of water, followed by half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste, and pressure cook the dal for about 7 to 8 whistles or until it becomes soft and mushy. Now in a kadai, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 bay leaf, 1 small piece of cinnamon stick, followed by ginger and green chili paste, and 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion and saute this. To this, we will add 1 medium-sized finely chopped tomato and saute this well too. Cover with a lid and cook for about 5 minutes for the tomatoes to become soft. Once the onions and tomatoes have cooked well, we will add finely shredded spinach leaves to this and mix well and cover and cook again for another 5 minutes or until the spinach is cooked and reduced in size. You can now see that the spinach is reduced almost half in quantity. At this stage, we will season this with salt to taste, followed by half a teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 to 2 teaspoon dhania powder, and also add a little water to prevent the spices from burning. Now add the boiled dal to this and mix it well. You can add more water here if you want to adjust the consistency of the dal as per your liking. I have added about half a glass of water as I like my dal to be a little thicker. Keep stirring this well to remove any lumps from the dal and to make sure the dal, spinach, and spices have all combined well. Now cover this and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Till the dal comes to a boil. Keep stirring this a couple of times in between as the moong dal tends to thicken and sometimes stick at the bottom of the kadai. You can see that it has now reached a perfectly thick and creamy consistency, just the way I prefer it to be. We will move on to the most important step of this recipe and make a flavorful tadka by heating some ghee in a tadka pan. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of jeera and let it splutter. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of hing. Finely chopped garlic and let the garlic roast for a bit. We will then add Kashmiri red chili powder for that beautiful red color. Once the tadka turns aromatic, pour this generously over the dal. The crackling sound of the tadka is sure to make you head right to your kitchen and try this recipe today. Finally, add half a teaspoon of kasuri methi. Mix it well, and your creamy and delicious dal palak is ready to be served with piping hot rice or roti. Simple, nutritious, and full of comfort, this recipe deserves a spot in your weekly menu. So do give it a try and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such easy and comforting recipes. Thank you for watching.